Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will see how to take a screenshot in Excel. Okay, so to do so, go to the Insert tab and then from the illustration group click on a screenshot. Okay, and you will see all the available windows list. Now if you hover over any one of them, then you will see the title and you can click on them to insert it. Okay, so you can also right click and save it as a picture if necessary. Let's delete it for now, and let's go back to the window that we took the screenshot of. If we minimize the window, okay, and then again go back to insert it, we will not find it available because the window is currently inactive or minimized. Okay, so we must keep in mind to take a screenshot of any window that window must be active or is not minimized. Okay, so either maximized or restored down. Okay, now let's say you want to take a screenshot of a part of the screen, then what you can do is click on screen clipping. Let's try it. Okay, so it takes you back to the last active window. Okay, so if I took this part, okay, so the part will be inserted. Okay, so what if you need to take a screenshot of the current window, that means this one, then either you need to open a blank window, or if you already have another open workbook, that is this one, then start from this window instead. Okay, so screenshot, okay, screen clipping, and it goes back to the desired window. Now you can take a screenshot from here. Okay, so the screenshot goes back here. You can cut it and paste it on the target window. Okay, so this is how to take a screenshot in Excel. Hope you find it useful and like it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.